Let us now continue with the next strategy. That is, when you encounter two correct choices and one wrong choice in the question. So, how will you treat such type of question? The answer or possible answer to this type of question is not all of the above or not all of the foregoing. Let us consider this particular example. Polygraphy means. So this is an easy question. However, the choices are a bit tricky. So we have in letter D a possible correct answer. This is correct answer if we can find out in the choices two correct choices and one wrong. So let us start with letter A. So recording of the blood pressure, respiration, and skin conductivity. So when we say recording, of course, that is under the component that we call kymograph. And when we say blood pressure, that is under cardiograph. And when we say respiration, we are talking of the pneumograph. And skin conductivity, we have galvanograph. Is this choice a correct choice? When we connect it with the question, the meaning of polygraphy, our answer is yes. This is a correct choice. Okay? If this is the only correct choice, then our answer would be this letter A. We would not answer letter D. So let us continue with letter B. Recording. Just the same, we are talking here of the kymograph. Recording of systolic blood pressure. So when we say blood pressure, we are talking of the cardiograph component. Now, we relate it with the question polygraphy. Essentially, if we analyze letter B, the particular physiological reaction that is to be recorded here is only one, that is systolic blood pressure. Definitely, it will not conform to the question, which is essentially when we say poly, it means many. Okay? Means many. So therefore, letter B is wrong. Okay? If letter C is correct, then our answer would be letter D. On the other hand, if letter C is wrong, our answer would be letter A. Okay, let us now consider letter C. Writing. When we say writing, we can connect it with the word graphy. From the Greek word graphian or graphia or graphos. But what about copiously? What does it mean when we say copiously? Literally, or its meaning is many. Will it conform with the question? The answer is yes, because when we say poly means many. Therefore, letter C is also correct. So we do not choose between letter A and letter C. And when we consider letter B, that is wrong. Therefore, not all of the above are correct choices because letter B is wrong. Or it could be in the question, it could be the word being used is not all of the foregoing, but they are essentially the same. Therefore, our answer here is letter D. Again, let me throw you back to the strategy. If you encounter in the question two correct answers and there is one wrong choice, then our answer is not all of the above or not all of the foregoing. Just a little note of this type of question. Uh, they come or they usually come out very rarely, but let me assure you that there are a lot of board questions that we encountered in the past, of course, but not necessarily in the present. But it does not uh, dispel the possibility that it will be asked this time around. So we have to know this structure of a question. Again, two correct choices and one wrong choice. The answer is not all of the above or not all of the foregoing.